Hello friends, welcome to the accounting school. As you all know by now that the channel is designed to give information about various rules and regulations in a manner which can be understood by a layman. However, this is not to be taken as advice since the individual cases differ so as the advice. We have seen the process to be carried out in case of sale of property by NRI in India. However, many of the viewers had inquired about the process of deducting TDS from the purchase price to be paid to the developer or seller while making the payment of the new home or a resale. So let us see the process to be carried out and filling the form 26QB. Form 26QB is a e-form that acts as a challan cum statement for TDS to be deducted under section 194IA. It is a mandatory for the buyer to file this form electronically through the income tax portal. It should be submitted within 30 days. Now, whenever any person or HUF is purchasing a property of more than 50 lakhs, they have to deduct a TDS at the rate of 1% of the stamp duty value and fill the form 26QB within 30 days. There are two conditions. One is the land should not be the agricultural land and the purchase price should be above 50 lakhs. So even if the property is purchased in joint, if the total value of property is above 50 lakhs, this form has to be filled up within the prescribed time. And the essential documents would be address of buyer, seller, their PAN numbers, specification of the property, contact details, and of course the amount to be deposited in that time. One thing is you can always opt to pay the full TDS even if you are paying in the installment. There is always an option to pay the TDS as per installment, and the option is with the buyer as per availability of his funds. After that form 26QB is filed, then the buyer has to do the login process for TDS CPC portal, and just like a TDS certificate, form 16B is to be downloaded and given to the developer or seller. If there are more than one seller, like if the property is held in joint, then two forms have to be filed. Two form 26QBs have to be filed, and of course two form 16Bs have to be downloaded, and the TDS certificate has to be handed over to the seller. So friends, this procedure is very important in case of value of property which is more than 50 lakhs, even if it is purchased jointly. And always remember, taking the help of a professional is the first step to compliance. Thank you for watching, and if any queries, please get back to us in the